You have heard the name, you have seen the Onion logo, and you probably think Tor Browser is some hacker only tool used by people in hoodies running operations in dark basements. But Tor isn't just for hackers, it is one of the most powerful privacy tools ever built. And today, I am breaking down every Tor feature one by one. First, the onion routing feature. This is Tor's superpower. When you connect, instead of going you to the website, what Tor does is you, entry node, middle node, and there is an exit node, and then there is a website. And each hop only knows the one step. Entry node knows you, but not your destination. Exit node knows the destination, but not you. Middle node knows nothing except pass the message. It is probably like sending a letter through three friends who each tear off a layer of the envelope. No single friend knows the full story. This is called what? Onion routing. Second, IP address masking. Tor gives you a new IP every time you connect. Your real IP is hidden, it's obscured, it's vanished. Instead, websites see the IP of the exit node, which could be in Germany, Brazil, Canada, even Iceland. Using Tor is like teleporting around the globe without leaving your chair. Third, multi-layer encryption. Tor encrypts your traffic three times before sending it through the network. Each relay peels off one layer, like unwrapping an onion one skin at a time. By the time the message leaves the exit node, no trace of the original sender remains. Even if someone hijacked one relay, they still couldn't identify you because they are only holding one slice of a huge puzzle. Fourth feature, the anti-tracking features. Tor browser automatically blocks third-party cookies, trackers, fingerprint scripts, device profiling, canvas data leaks, WebGL fingerprinting, hidden trackers advertisers love. Companies try to follow you across the web. Tor says, not today. Even if a site wants to track your browser type, Tor's standardized fingerprint makes every user look identical. You are just a one face in a crowd of millions. Fifth, identity reset button. Tor browser has a magic button, new identity. Click it and Tor will gonna wipe up all the browsing history, refreshes your circuit, changes all IPs, restart your session, makes website forget you immediately. It is like hitting Control Alt plus Delete, but for your entire digital identity. It is useful if you visit a shady website, you think you have been tracked, or maybe you want a completely clean session. One click, brand new you. Sixth, Tor Circuit Display. Tor lets you see your connection path in real time. You can view entry node country, middle relay country, and exit node location. It's not just cool, it shows exactly how your traffic is bouncing around the world. If you don't like your route, hit the new Tor circuit and the Tor will reroute you instantly. Seventh, no script integration. Tor browser comes bundled with no script, a powerful shield that blocks JavaScript exploits, malicious scripts, browser hacks, auto download attacks, WebRTC leaks, and this prevents, fingerprinting, drive-by malware, hidden crypto miners, zero-day browser attacks. In simple words, if the normal browser is an open window, then Tor is a window with iron bars, alarms, and laser grid. 8th, Onion website support. Tor is the only browser that can access .onion websites, hidden services that don't exist on the regular internet. This can be privacy forums, whistleblower sites, research libraries, encrypted messaging servers, secure email portals, and journalist Dropbox. Some big companies even run official .onion sites like Facebook, BBC, ProPublica, and DuckDuckGo. .onion sites never reveal their server location. They live entirely inside Tor's network and cannot be accessed by Chrome or Safari. Ninth, built-in tracker isolation. Tor isolates each website in its own container. What it means? Facebook cannot track you across other tabs. Google cannot follow you from site to site. Websites cannot share cookies with each other. Every tab in Tor is like a prisoner in a solitary confinement. They cannot communicate. No cross-tab tracking, no data leakage. 10th, HTTPS everywhere, forced encryption. Even before it became standard, Tor always forced websites to use HTTPS when available. This means encrypted connection, no plain text leaks, no snooping, no ISP spying. If a website doesn't support HTTPS, Tor warns you instantly. Your connection stays frozen, secure, and private. 11th, security level slider. Tor lets you adjust security like a video game difficulty setting. Standard. Everything works normally, but you are still anonymous. Safer. Blocks risky media, scripts, and features. Safest. Disables JavaScript, most media and complex content. Super secure, super private, and super plain looking websites. And this slider gives you control of more privacy and more functionality. 12. Anti-fingerprinting design. Tor tries to make all users look identical. Why? Because uniqueness is equals to trackable. Everyone using Tor has the same window size, the same fonts, the same browser signature, the same fingerprint. You basically disappear into a digital crowd where no one can pick out your browser. And that's it. Every major Tor feature. Tor isn't magic. It's a math, encryption, and whole lot of onions. Whether you are protecting your privacy, researching, or just curious, Tor gives you control over your digital identity, like no other browser on earth. And here's the disclaimer: this video is only for the educational purpose. And also remember this: I'm not going to recommend you to go to the dark web. And I'm sure this video helped you understand the onion more than most people ever will.